We are rising. For those who could not be fed, we are offering food and water.
Free food and water.
We offer
Your honor.
food and water in your honor. Food and water. And sisters there near the door, I want you to come in closer, please. It won't be as long as it's been. It won't be as long as it was for them. As we feed the ancestors, we feed you water, we come and bring you food, we feed you today, we honor you today. To all of you. And once again, is the water finished?
Right here, one is right here.
Okay. Once again, for those who have died here, for us, for those who were fighters, for those of you who will not be controlled, we're bringing to you this food, some water. Water. And once again, we pour libations, yes, honoring those ancestors, honoring those who are responsible for the fact that we are here today. We give you thanks.
Yes.
Virginia Heights,
We stand
call out the name of the ancestors.
Yeah. Bessie Lee Smith, Warren Thomas Smith, Dr. William J. Foster Sr., Barbara Jean Foster, Susie McIntyre, Henrietta Walker. Okay. Personal ancestors, named and unnamed. Historical ancestors. Honorable Marcus Mosiah Parker. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Queen Mother. First Ida B. Wells. Dr. Mary McLeod Bethune.
Yes.
Booker T. Washington.
W.
W.E.B. Du Bois, right? W. Carmichael. William Toure. That's right. Honorable Elijah Muhammad. Yeah. Yeah. Samora Michelle. Stephen Biko. Ashe. Jomo Kenyatta. Yes. Nelson, President Nelson Mandela. Thank you. Yes. Ashe.
Thank you for having me.
Those named and unnamed.
At this time, everyone, one at a time, starting with our elder sister, please place your candle somewhere near the food. And once you have placed your candle, then you can walk outside, okay? Okay, but one thing before we go outside, because we do about to love, we just want to take a moment and just be silent and reflective.